Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture of electrical machine, I am going to discuss about the all-day efficiency of transformer. That is also called as energy efficiency. Okay, so I am going to discuss the theory and I am going to discuss one numerical based on that. So actually what is happening, if you compare the distribution transformer and power transformer, so you will observe that distribution transformer will be connected 24 hours in a day. Continuously it will be in service, whether load is there or not. आप अगर आप कॉलोनी में भी देखेंगे तो आपकी कॉलोनी में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ट्रांसफार्मर है तो वो 24 आवर्स है। मान लो आपकी कॉलोनी में सबके सब घर में लॉक लगा है, लोड नियरली जीरो है, तो भी वो दे कांट स्विच ऑफ दैट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ट्रांसफार्मर। क्यों? क्योंकि घर में फ्रिज तो है ही या थोड़ा बहुत कुछ लोड होगा तो इट विल बी कंटिन्यूसली ऑन। और अगर कंटिन्यूसली ऑन है, you know iron loss is known as constant loss, so iron loss will take place continuously. So at the time of design, कैसे डिजाइन करते हैं ट्रांसफार्मर को? ऐसा करते हैं कि ऐसा मटेरियल सिलेक्ट करते हैं कि आयरन लॉस कम से कम हो। और जब पावर ट्रांसफार्मर डिजाइन होता है तो दे विल नॉट बॉदर द आयरन लॉस। अगर आपका लोड कम है, दे विल स्विच ऑफ द ट्रांसफार्मर एंड दे विल सप्लाई द to the load from the other transformer. ये पॉसिबिलिटी है। सो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ट्रांसफार्मर में 24 आवर्स ये सर्विस में रहेगा और 24 आवर्स सर्विस में है, इसका मतलब है आयरन लॉस विल बी कंटिन्यूसली देयर। सो इफ यू वांट to judge the performance of transformer, we will not judge the performance of transformer based on efficiency. The performance of transformer will be judged based on the energy efficiency. Okay, so here we are going to calculate the energy efficiency, or we can say it is a all day efficiency. So energy efficiency is defined as the ratio of energy output over a 24 hours to the energy input over 24 hours. Yeah, you can say energy efficiency is defined as the ratio of energy output over 24 hours upon energy output over 24 hours plus energy loss over 24 hours. Okay, so that is the formula we are going to use. Okay, and all day energy will be find only for the distribution transformer, not for the power transformer. Okay, so I'm going to discuss one numerical based on that. Okay, this we are going to find this quantity. Okay, so just see here, this is the numerical I have given. It 2300 oblique 230 volt. This is the voltage rating is given. 500 kVA transformer, distribution transformer, has core loss of 1600 watt and okay, and copper loss of 7.5 kilowatt at full load. This copper loss is given at full load. During the it is loaded as follows. So ये load percentage load दिया है, 0% load, मतलब कोई लोड नहीं है 2 आवर्स के लिए, लाइक दैट। 20% लोड है, क्या पावर फैक्टर है 0.7 लैग 4 आवर्स के लिए। 50% लोड है ट्रांसफार्मर पे 0.8 लैग, इट इज 4 आवर्स, लाइक दैट। 80% लोड, 100% लोड एंड 125% लोड, मतलब ये ओवरलोड भी हो रहा है। Okay, so this is the loading we have given. Find the energy efficiency or all day efficiency. So how to do it? So एक काम करते हैं, you can find output energy for 24 hours. Okay, so you can find the output energy for 24 hours. So what we are going to do, I am going to make a table. Okay, this is rated load. rated load, maybe a percentage. Okay, so rated load. Okay, this is the kilowatt consumption. I'm going to take the hours, कितने hours है, right? And here energy, output energy. Okay, so just see here, पहला लोड है 0% छोड़ दो, 20% लोड. So 20% लोड का मतलब हो गया 0.2, कितना केवीए का है, 500 केवीए. पावर फैक्टर कितना है, 0.7. सो ये 500 इंटू 0.7 क्या होगा, किलोवाट इंटू 0.2. कितने आवर्स के लिए, ये 4 आवर्स के लिए. दिस इज 4 आवर्स. So in this way you can find the energy output, you can calculate here. Okay, the second load is 50%. So 0.5 loading है, 50% means 0.5. फुल लोड कितना है, 500. कितने आवर्स के लिए 50%, सॉरी पावर फैक्टर कितना है, 0.8. लोडिंग क्या है, 4 आवर्स. You can find the energy output, right? Then 80% load means 0.8 loading is there. What is the full load kVA, 500. What is the loading for 80%, 0.9. What is the hour for loading, it is 5 hours. You can calculate it. Then 100%, it is 1 into 500. 100% का पावर फैक्टर कितना, यूनिटी मीन्स 1 multiply by what, 7 hours. So 500 into 7 hours, you will get 3500 kilowatt hour. You will get it, right? And 125%. So 1.25 into 500 into पावर फैक्टर कितना है, 0.85. लोडिंग कितनी है, 2 hours, right? So in this way you can calculate the energy. You can calculate the total output energy. We can calculate. Okay, so you can calculate the total output energy, sum of this all. Okay, so I'm just going to use it, just I'm going to calculate with the help of calculator. Just wait. So here I'm getting 100 into 0.70 into 4, 280 kilowatt hour. This is कितना है, 500 into 0.8, 400 into 0.5, 200 into 4, 800 किलोवाट आवर. यहाँ कितना आ रहा है, 500 into 0.8, 400 into 0.9, 400 into 0.9, 360 into 5, 1800. ये तो ऑलरेडी आ गया है. ये आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग द कैलकुलेटर. 500 into 1.25, that is 625 into 0.85 into 2. So I'm going to use the calculator. I'm getting 1062.5 kilowatt hour. So if you add all these, calculate the total energy output. Just wait, I'm going to use the calculator, and based on that calculator I'm getting it. Okay, I'm getting 7442 kilowatt hour. That is the energy output, I got it. Okay, 7442 kilowatt hour. So these are the output energy. Okay, now next I'm going to find the energy loss. Due to iron. Energy loss due to iron loss. Energy loss due to, this is energy, I can say. W means energy, what? Okay, or forget it. I'm going to use energy loss due to iron. Okay, So what is the energy loss due to iron? I'm going to calculate. And you know, energy loss will be takes place do 24 hours. Okay, so it is W energy loss due to iron, WI equal to क्या आएगा? Power into time. Power कितना है? What is the power loss? 1600 watt. 1600 watt. If you divide by 1000 क्या हो जाएगा? It is a kilowatt. Multiply by losses कितने hours के लिए आएंगे? 22 hours or 24, क्योंकि 0% लोड पे क्या है? 2 hours. तो यहाँ 22 लेना कि 24? It is 24 hours. Why? Because 0% load है, but iron loss will take place. If it is primary is energized, iron loss will take place. तो ये 0% लोड है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आयरन लॉस नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ इसको कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा. सो इफ यू यूज इट 1.6 into 24. So with the help of calculator I am getting 1.6 into 24. I am getting 38.4 kilowatt hour. So I got that is the first energy loss due to iron. Clear? Second part, energy loss due to what? Due to copper. Due to copper loss, iron loss. Clear? So I have to calculate the energy loss due to copper loss. क्या होगा? First इसको इसमें copper loss 0 होगा. No load means no copper loss. यहाँ 20% लोड पे कितना होगा? 0.2. Clear? Into what? Copper loss full लोड पे कितना? 7.5. Into कितने hours लोडिंग है? 4 hours. Are you getting it? फुल लोड कॉपर लॉस कितना है? 7.5. तो ये 20% लोडिंग है, तो क्या होगा? 0.2 की 0.2 का स्क्वायर. It is square. Why? Because we know copper loss will change with the square of current. 20% लोडिंग पे करंट कितना हो जाएगा? 20%, that is 0.2. तो कॉपर लॉस will change with the square of current. So कॉपर लॉस ये स्क्वायर में आ जाएगा. 0.2 का स्क्वायर into 7.5 into 4 प्लस 50% पे क्या होगा? 0.5 square of that into what? 7.5 kilowatt into कितने आवर है? 4 hours प्लस 80% लोड पे क्या होगा? 0.8 स्क्वायर ऑफ दैट इंटू वाट? 7.5 किलोवाट इंटू कितने आवर्स के लिए है? 80% लोड 5 आवर्स. क्लियर? इंटू 5 आवर्स प्लस 100% लोड मीन्स 1 का स्क्वायर, यहाँ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. 7.5 किलोवाट. हाउ मेनी आवर्स इट इज देयर? इंटू 7. ओके, प्लस 125% लोड मीन्स 1.25 स्क्वायर इंटू 7.5 इंटू कितने आवर्स की लोड है? 2 आवर्स. So in this way you can get the energy loss due to copper loss. So if you use the calculator you will get the answer. सबका ऐड करता हूँ, just wait. 0.2 square 0.04 into 7.5 into 4. So I am getting it. 0.5 का square means 0.25 into 7.5 into 4. So I am getting it is 108.6 kilowatt hour. So I got this is the second loss due to energy. Now this upon this plus these two losses. Okay, so which formula we will use? If you यहीं use करता हूँ मैं, all day efficiency, energy efficiency. क्या formula है? You know, if you see the formula, just we have used it. Sorry, you know this is the what is the formula? We have energy output in 24 hours upon energy output in 24 hours plus energy loss due to iron loss and copper loss for 24 hours, right? This is the formula we have. So what is the energy output in 24 hours? It is what? 7442, this upon energy loss 7442 plus energy loss due to iron loss कितना है 38.4 plus energy loss due to copper loss 108.6 into 100. So if you use the calculator, you will get the answer. That is the answer we are getting. Just wait. So I am going to use the calculator. So I am getting 98.06. 98.059%. So I am getting this answer 98.059%. Okay, so that is the answer I am getting. It is very easy. It is not requiring any calculation, just technology. Just if your concept is clear, you will get it. So I am going to discuss only one numerical. Just पहले आपको करेंगे एनर्जी आउटपुट निकाल लो 24 आवर्स में, then energy loss due to iron निकाल लो, energy loss due to copper will change with the time and percentage. Okay, so find it and then this formula we have to use. Okay, so this is the way of finding the result. So I'm stopping it here. Okay, I'm rubbing it. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.